and welcome to this video of cleaning the fish tank. There's a little bit of algae built up here. The algae will build up because of the LED light that I have on top. There's an LED light mounted on underneath the table up there, and that LED is causing this algae. The algae doesn't just come from sunlight, it comes from light, which is it's kind of necessary because without the light you can see nothing. So these weekly changes now is literally just like lift up some poo from the bottom, clean off the algae and clean out the filter. That's it. I'm not going to do any more than that. It's going to take about 20 minutes altogether. And we'll make a start now. Thanks for watching. There's those caramel chocolate kind of fake Mars bars in there.
No, if I wanted a Mars bar,
What a nice box.
the ice cream Mars bar. They're the only good Mars.
Ooh, that video was recording, by the way. Thank you. Are you trying to choke me or are you trying to be nice to me?
What video?
My phone is recording. It'll be put on fast anyway. Just get out of the video.
Hello.
Actually, I want your uniform to go in the washing machine.
Okay.
It's turned on now, so you can do it in the morning. I'm recording for YouTube, will you feck off? You're going to be on YouTube now, so I love you. Hi, fish. To look from every angle and see that I haven't missed any big bits, because it's quite common to miss bits. Oh, look at that. I don't know how that's ended up getting sucked all the way up, but there's the bottom half, which isn't as dirty, but it's dirty. And the top one, this one's the real Manky one. of this. I feel like gross dirt and germs. So I'm just squeezing it out, getting the dirt out of it. Oh my God, look how dirty that water is. But it's full of good bacteria and bad bacteria. It's full of both. And by squeezing it out and allowing it to still absorb, that's still fine. That's fine. Gross, but it's fine. I want to take out the second one as well. Now, it could all get rubbed down with a toothbrush. Look at the dirt. Oh yeah. Could get scrubbed down with a toothbrush or some kind of scrubby cloth. But honestly, it's not that bad. 1, 2, and there's another thing in here as well. The lid. And now this water is full of nutrition for the plants. So I'm going to pour that onto the plant outside. This is another one of those things I add to my zero waste lifestyle. I don't even waste the water that comes out of the fish tank. It has got a use. It goes into the plant and helps give the plant a bit of nutrition. Taking out what I can. I'm putting the sponges that we had in again another time. You'll notice I only ever use tank water to clean anything from the tank. Never use tap water. I will put tap water in, but what's in here is cycled really lovely. There's a whole environment going on in here. All the fish are quite happy and acclimatised, and the filter medium did not see any tap water. The filter medium just got this water to rinse it. My line was about here, so I've taken about that much out. I can top it up, or I can just leave it. That's fine. Each time I check in on the plants, being live plants, there's always stuff happening, stuff being uprooted, because these are devils. They love pulling out plants. Plants and goldfish don't really mix well together because they're devils. But I don't mind. I like that they've something to play with, something natural. I like to think they're some of the luckiest goldfish in Ireland because of the space they have and the enrichment they have in their tank. I don't think there's anything more enriching than live plants. So, thanks for watching. That's the video, guys. Thanks for checking out. You know what to do, the comments and the subscribe and all that. It really helps. Thank you.